PPP update. PPP update. My name is QUiNTiN Banks. If you're new to the channel, of course, you guys got to like and subscribe. Today, we're going to be talking about these PPP updates. I actually got a news clip that I will be playing here shortly. Now, a lot of people were still questioning me about these PPP updates. Is it ending? Is it opening? PPP frauds. Continue, guys, to send me your videos. Continue, guys, to send me videos you guys want me to react to. My Instagram is QUiNTiN Banks with 3 S's. Also, if you guys want to download Chime, feel free to download Chime as well. Let's get right into this. This is federal pandemic fraud cases. I don't know too much about what's about to happen here, but I do know it's a lot of updates that's going on. And like I said, you guys send me these videos, and I tend to do this. I got me some food, so of course, I'm gonna be eating. I really hope everybody's having an amazing morning, amazing day. Whenever and however you're seeing this, hope you're just having an amazing day. You're eating some good food. Hope that food tastes delicious. It's Sunday. Did I get a fork? Yeah, I did get a fork. So yeah, guys, we're shaking here. A second while food is video up. Got some food here. I'm about to eat some food. We're gonna watch this video together. If you guys got questions or concerns, feel free to drop your questions, comments, concerns below. As always, let's get right to this video.
To these 3 local cases all day, they will eventually be heard here at the Norfolk courthouse. But overall, this is a major problem going on across the country that's costing you money. The federal government quickly pumped out COVID relief funds, and con artists were hard at work. Even Senator Bill DeStefano found people trying to say that they worked for him when he says they didn't to get benefits.
Even at a couple of my companies, we had people say that they were employed by me. I'm like, that person never worked for me.
The representative from District 8 says he fielded thousands of calls from people truly in need, but he says he also had scammers calling. News 3 Investigates uncovered recent cases against local people now facing charges. Federal prosecutors say a scheme went on at the Greensville Correctional Center. 2 inmates are accused of recruiting other inmates to get personal information. They say they then gave it to 2 women on the outside of the prison who allegedly filed for unemployment benefits. Records state the plan worked 14 times, which allegedly got them $207,000.
We got to give it up to these criminals. You know, I'm not gonna say criminals, but to people that's in jail, in prisons. They are smart, because you got tons of people that's not in jail who don't even know how to do anything close to this. What I mean is, like, the technology, the information, you know what I mean? Not saying the scamming, I'm talking about like the research you have to do. The technology, you gotta know certain things. You gotta know how to do certain things, operate computers, operate technology, getting information, this and that. So these people that's taking their time and doing this, like, we got to be like, wow, they're smarter than, you know what I mean, some of these people that's outside of jail who can't even operate and do this. And a lot of people, you guys know, a lot of people tried to get a PPP loan and couldn't get one. You know, so it's one of those things as well where a lot of people actually tried to get a PPP loan, couldn't get it. And you got people that's in jail or scamming or frauding, whatever you want to call it, who are having the access to tons, hundreds of thousands of dollars inside of jail. Limited time, limited research, limited everything, right? And they are knowing what they should be doing to defraud the system. It's still, it's crazy to me. It's crazy to me to think that, you know. Drop down, let me know what you're eating. What are you eating right now? What are you eating? around this, right? You got people that's in jail, in these prisons, who are making wire transfers, who are selling, who are doing a lot of other things inside of jail, right? And then you got people outside living in the free world who don't even think or can't even process to do half of the stuff that they're doing. So it always gets me when I see these people, and I see these people, you know, I'm not going to label them like that. I'm just going to say, when I see these people who have limited resources making things happen. So it's just one of those things, you know. Like I said, I know a lot of people, even in the outside, who are trying to get a PPP loan or trying to get different various loans, even stimulus checks, who are still waiting or couldn't even get through the system, get processed, get the paperwork. And you got people that's in jail who are actually filling out these paperworks, contacting people, reaching out to people. So it's still amazing me, and it should just show you too. It should just show you too as well that life is what you make it, right? Life is what you make it. If you're going to go out there and do a lot of research and do, you know, X, Y, Z, you can get things done. But if you're not, then you're not going to get anything done. So take it like that as well when it comes down to, you know, life in general as well. But like I said, all these videos that I'm doing, educational purposes only. I really just try to educate you guys, give you guys the latest news, latest updates. Like I said before, a lot of you guys ask me tons of questions always about, you know, these PPP loans, these stimulus checks, you know, does people really, and I'm showing this to you guys as well, because a lot of people ask me, do people really be in jail getting PPP loans? Yes, I'm showing it, you know, and however they are able to do it, you know, and all this stuff is public, you know what I mean? So anything that I talk about is public. You guys can look up news articles, Google and stuff like that. And it's all educational purposes only, like I said. And yeah, so drop the questions, comments below. Let me know in the comment section. As always, I will be vlogging next month, so I probably will be doing that each and every day. I'm gonna try to do it. Very, very tough, you know. You know, I really felt like when I was younger, I was vlogging every day, doing everything I had to do. But now it's just like, you know, it's a lot more, you know, it's a lot more, you know, a lot of stuff going on. So end of the day, as always, make sure you guys like and subscribe. Like I always say, just let me know in the comment section how you guys feel, what other videos you guys want to see. Feel free to follow me on Instagram. I'm following you back on Instagram.